Hello and welcome back to my channel. So it is day 1,500,000 which makes no sense because we're going crazy. So that means the days make no sense. That means everything makes no sense. We're home. We're home all the time. But despite that, I did my makeup so that you guys see, you know, pretty, somewhat sane Dani. Excuse the introduction. Anyways. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So, we've been in quarantine for quite some time now. Whatever you call it, quarantine, self-isolation, going crazy. And then I have my little munchkin right over here. Yeah, boo. Yes, if you saw, it is a bit of a mess in the kitchen, which is where I now am going to film my videos because there is no light in the office. Hi, baby. Yeah? Thank you for my kiss. Anyway, so Bella right here needs a haircut. She desperately needs a trip to the groomers, but obviously the groomer is closed. And yeah, I know. You need a trip to the groomers, don't you? Yeah? I don't know if you guys heard that. She has feelings. Anyways, so can't cut her hair myself just because last time I tried it, she looked terrible. I'm just gonna leave that to the professionals, but she's, yeah, it's getting very, very long. Let me fix my jewelry right here. Anyways, so the reason for this video, as you guys very well know from the description box below and the thumbnail and the name of the video, is that I got more stuff from Camellia Roma. That's Bella. Yeah, so the hair is bothering her so much, she's pretty itchy. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe I'll just take some scissors and cut it myself. Oh, but she'll look so bad. Anyways. Back to the video. Yes, so Camellia Roma, they are amazing. Their service is incredible. Last time, one of the bags had like this little wear and tear rip, and I contacted them and they said, don't worry, no problem. We can either send you a new one or you can get money back. Or I think, no, not anyone. I think it was like store credit or money back. And I said, just like, if you guys can refund me my credit card. They said, yeah, no problem. They did. Super fast, super nice. Oh, just incredible. And so I figured I would treat myself. It's been a few years and I ordered 2 more bags. And it's really great because my girlfriends actually gave me a Camellia Roma gift card. And it was so funny because I purchased the bags prior to receiving the gift card. So I was like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? Like, I'm not gonna buy, I already purchased 2 bags. Like, I'm not gonna buy any more. And it took me about a year to decide on these just because I kept going on the site and looking at everything that they have and finally made my decision. Wait, let me get the bags before Bella eats them. Yeah, I'm not gonna show them yet. Anyways, and so finally made the decision, placed the order, and the day after was like my birthday. And my girlfriends give me this gift card. So I contacted Camellia Roma and they said, yeah, no problem. We'll just, we'll add it to your original form of payment. Which honestly, normally people, like companies would just say, sorry, you'll just use it next time. No, they're so great. Their customer service is just beyond. And the one thing that I don't like from their site is that they only show you the product, just the bag. And it's really, I usually prefer to see what it looks like on like an actual person. But for that, you have to go to their Instagram. And then you scroll down through all the different pictures just to see what's what and how it looks. I don't know if you hear Bella. Anyways. She's so silly. Yeah, I'm getting easily distracted, sorry. Anyways, yeah, so they're really great. And the 2 bags that I ordered are, that was a drum roll. Yeah, that was a drum roll. It was a bad drum roll. Sorry about that. Where was I? was talking about the Instagram, I think. Anyways, yeah, so you scroll down and then you'll see what it looks like on a person. So the 2 bags that I got are, oh yes, that's what I was saying. I got a bucket bag. I don't have anything that's like this. I don't have a brown bag. You can see some of my stuff in there already. Yes, those are tampons. It's really convenient. It's a really big bag. It doesn't have any pockets inside, but it does come with this little pockety thing. You clip it on to wherever it's convenient for you. Here, let me unclip it. Like this. Then you clip it on. Yeah, very convenient. I love it. And the reason I chose this one as opposed to some of their other bucket bags is that it has 2 handles. So it has the longer one or it has the shorter one. And then you could pull this in like this. I love it. It's super, super pretty. The one thing, if I could change one thing about this bag, is that it doesn't have the little metal little thingies on the bottom so that when you put it down, it like the leather doesn't touch the floor. That's the only thing I would change about this bag. And the second bag is this beautiful green crossbody. I love it so much, and it comes with this very thick strap. So nice. And what you can actually do is you see right here, you can take this off entirely. You can unclasp this and then use it kind of like as a, I don't know, like a clutch. That's the word I'm looking for, clutch. So yeah, it's very, very pretty. And then the finding here, look at this. And that's how it opens. Then you have this beautiful green suede inside and all of these different pockets. Super convenient. And just so beautifully made with the gold finding. So nice. So yeah, those are the 2 stunning bags that I got. As per usual, they came with the Camellia Roma dust bags and like the standard paper. The box came, as always, as you saw in my previous video, with this beautiful black ribbon and the classic Camellia Roma white flowers. Their packaging is just, I mean, beyond so on point. Like every time, and it's funny because the first time I actually, there's like a little box that you can say that if it's a gift or not. And the first time one of the bags was a gift for my mom. And this time I didn't take it off, yet it still came packaged like to the T's, like just stunning, stunning, stunning. Yeah, so I'm really happy to share this with you guys. I know that probably, I mean, okay, so not everyone's shopping right now, and I understand that. A lot of people just aren't buying international because of everything that's going on. I purchased this before the quarantine hit really bad here. It was just starting in Italy. Currently, I am online shopping just because I'm trying not to change my routine as much as possible to keep my sanity. This is actually a sweater that I just ordered from H&M a few days ago. Okay, it took about a week to come. I love it. So a lot of brands are actually giving free shipping. They're giving all sorts of discounts just to keep the economy going. So I don't know how it is in other countries. The government of Canada is providing all sorts of aid, like financial aid, to those that lost their jobs. I'm pretty fortunate. I did not lose my job. I'm able to do my job from home. So if anyone is touched by the unfortunate circumstances that we're all under right now, and you do need financial aid, look to see what your government is providing and how, you know, they're there to help you. I hope that everyone is able to, you know, find some peace, some clarity out of all of this. I know that there's a lot of like different messages going on right now. a lot of families are trying to connect, reconnect, obviously from a distance. I'm going a little stir crazy just because this is the longest that I haven't seen my family since I went traveling. So I'm sad, but other than that, trying to keep life going as much as possible. If you do need extra money coming in, I'm gonna put a link below for VIPKID. If you guys have a bachelor's degree, that's really all you need to work for them. I know that they're currently looking to hire more teachers. VIPKID is actually a Chinese-based company with teachers all over the world, and you teach kids ages about, like, let's say 3 to 13 or so, and it's just English as a second language. It personally gives me a lot of joy. That was my phone, sorry. I just love it. I love seeing how a child can go from just parroting after you, like I'll say, hi, my name is teacher Dani, and they'll say, hi, my name is teacher Dani, to actually answering questions about their age, about their family, like their name, and it is just such a joy to receive that. So not only does it help financially, personally, it's something that I really enjoy, and I've been doing this for a couple of years. It's lovely, it really is. And then you get your regular kids. So I'm gonna link that below. I'm also gonna link the bags that I just showed you from Camellia Roma. Please keep in mind, I am not sponsored by them. This is just a complete opinion video. I love them so much. They brought me so much joy. I have 3 bags from them now. One of them I've had for years and years and years. I've traveled with it, and it still looks beautiful as if it's new, despite the little wear and tear that I've had inside. So I thought that maybe someone else can, you know, enjoy them. So all that to say, guys, don't forget to like this video if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't. You know, we are all entitled to our opinions. And subscribe. And I know that I don't post as often as I should, but it's a work in progress. It's actually really hard for me to make these videos. Not just because it's hard for me to kind of like sit down and do it, but just, I don't know, I have a lot going on between work and the family and just like everything. But I'm gonna try to keep coming back on here and getting more information out to you guys. And maybe next time, I had some people asking me about some books that I'm reading, so maybe next video will be about that. All right, stay safe, guys.